What's up guys, Vivo has recently confirmed that it will be launching the Vivo S5 smartphone on November 14, 2019. Last month the smartphone was seen in the hands of the S series brand ambassador and it revealed that the Vivo S5 has a quad cameras arranged inside a diamond shaped module on its rear. Recently a couple of images have appeared to reveal the front and rear design of the phone. The first image is a snapshot of the endorsement program for the phone. It clearly shows a punch hole present at the upper right corner of the device. A reliable tipster has also claimed that the phone will be equipped with a punch hole display. The other images are the renders of the phone that reveal its front and rear design. In the promo video that has appeared in the previous month, the Vivo S5's front was not revealed. However, the rear had featured a diamond-shaped module that housed 4 cameras and below it was an LED flash. However, these new renders show that the phone without a punch hole display, the screen is notchless and its rear has a diamond-shaped camera housing that comprises of 3 camera sensors and an LED flash. There is no confirmation on the authenticity of these images, but they have given a birth to new rumors that there could be 2 editions of the phone. There could be a model with a punch hole display and 4 rear cameras, and the other variant may have a notchless display and triple cameras. The company could be planning to launch Vivo S5 and Vivo S5 Pro smartphones soon. Currently, there are no details available on the specification of the Vivo S5. The Chinese firm is expected to share more details before November 14 launch date. So these are all the details we have about the Vivo S5 and Vivo S5 Pro. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.